Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with full LED headlights, there's a black roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. Touchscreen features DAB digital radio, sat-nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and a smartphone charging plate. There's also some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 18,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.